economicsstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Monday, December 16th. We'll start with a look at the economic calendar. And we start at 8:30 GMT when we have German PMI data coming out from Europe. This is followed at 9 o'clock GMT when we have PMI data for the entire Eurozone. This will be important for the markets because it's an indicator of economic activity. Then at 1:58 GMT, we have the United States PMI data coming out, and then 2 minutes later at 2 o'clock GMT, we have U.S. existing home sales. These are also two important indicators of economic performance in the United States. And this could have a stronger impact on the markets as we have the Fed meeting starting tomorrow and concluding on Wednesday. And then finally at 2:15 we have United States industrial production. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 on Friday closed down just slightly. Going into the session today, Asian stocks continued their move on the downside. This has been the flavor of the markets for the last week or so in Asia, with the markets closing continuously further down, which is to be expected given the FOMC meeting starting tomorrow and ending on Wednesday. Futures for the S&P 500 futures for the S&P 500 today are trading down by 0.5% at the beginning of the European session. Now the euro is still trading above support at 137.10, and we have a resistance at 138.20 still. However, we could expect downward pressure on this pair as due to dollar strength, and it might break through support here and target further down to 136.50 in the short term. The pound also moved on the downside in Friday with continued dollar strength. It's currently trading below resistance at 163.20, and we have support at 162.50. The yen on Friday pushed up to an intraday record, an intraday high, the highest it's been since October 8th, 2008. That would be 5 years ago. It wasn't able to hold, as might be expected, and fell back. However, it's currently trading at an important level here at 103.25. It could push back towards 103.85, which is the highest it's been, or it could retrace further down to 102.30, which is support. And finally, we have gold. Gold has had a lot of trouble pushing to 1,222, and is currently trading just below resistance at 1,240. If it were to break above that, we could see it pushing back towards 1,270. However, that's kind of unlikely given dollar strength, which would be keeping the price of gold on the downside, so we could have another move towards 1,220 in the short term. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy trading.